Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 12. This module is super important because we're going to learn the last big topic for the semester, which is formal commands. This is an important topic for healthcare workers because formal commands are what you're going to use to talk to patients when you want to tell them, like, wait here, come here, put your arm here. This is not a topic that's normally in Spanish 1. It's normally in higher levels of Spanish, so please make sure you really go through the materials and make sure you are following the correct formula. Because even if you've taken Spanish before, you may not have seen this topic. If you learn Spanish at home, you're probably used to using the informal commands because that's what you would use at home. But we really want to make sure to focus on using the formal commands with patients. So again, please make sure that you really go through the materials and that you ask me if you have any questions. We also have the information here about the final project. Once you get through this week and next week, that's everything we need for the final project. You do have to have formal commands on the final project, so make sure that you have those in there and that you understand them. Okay, so for the assignments, we have homework packet, our last discussion board of the semester, the speaking assignment where you have to use the formal commands, and the quiz about the formal commands. So let me know if you have any questions, y nos vemos pronto.